All right, here's another one in which we have to make m a subject of everything else, and so um, let's just do it. So like in the last question, let's just multiply both sides of the equation with 5 plus m. So 5 plus m times f on the left hand side, and then you got 4 minus 3m divided by 5 plus m, and you multiply the right hand side also with 5 plus m, and the effect of that is that you can cancel out 5 plus m on the right hand side. What you're left with is, let's just multiply, just take a step further, just multiply f into the bracket. So you got 5 times f plus m times f, and on this side you got 4 minus 3m. All right, okay, so what do we do now? M. Okay, so we have to bring m on the left hand side, everything else on the right hand side. Let's just do that. So mf, and let's just add 3m here, and just leave 5f just as is, one step at a time. 4 minus 3m, and we will have to add a 3m here as well, just because we added a 3m on the left hand side. Now the 3m and the minus 3m will cancel each other out on the right hand side. So what are we left with? mf plus 5f plus 3m equals 4. Okay, so you got two m terms, this and this. Let's just take the term that's not an m term on the right hand side, okay, and leave all the m terms here. M times f plus 3m plus 5f minus 5f is equal to 4 minus 5f. So what have I done here, Iba? I just subtracted minus 5f from both the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation. You got to do that always. When you do something on the left hand side, you got to do the same thing on the right hand side. All right, so both plus 5f and minus 5f cancel each other, and you're left with mf plus 3m is equal to 4 minus 5f. Okay. All right, so now let's just take the m out here because it's common in both of these two terms, and what's left here is 5 plus 3, and you got a 4 minus 5f on the right hand side. Now let's divide both sides by f plus 3, and you see, doing the same thing on both sides. Divide left hand side by f plus 3, doing the same thing on the right hand side as well. Always do that. And so f plus 3 will cancel each other out on the left hand side. What you're left with now is m only on the left hand side, and on the right you got 4 minus 5f divided by f plus, what was that, 3. There you go. Let me know if you have a question here now.